I just found this new text to image generator that may be better than even Midjourney. And guess what? It's free. Impossible! This app is actually inside CapCut, which just released its new text to image generator. And it seems like it works similarly to how Midjourney works, where basically you just go ahead and type in a request like make a picture of this person doing so and so. It generates like 4 different variations of the photo for you to look and choose from. Right now it seems like they're just getting started with it, so it seems like they have 2 different options for you to choose from. They have like a general option and as well as an anime option. General just means, I guess, general AI stuff where you can make a good design from it, like a good person from it, as well as like maybe a background, a scenery, or some type of logo. It's actually pretty good, especially since it's free. I think the cherry on top here is that you can actually use this while you're doing video editing, because CapCut is primarily a video editing app.
What did you say?
CapCut is owned by TikTok, and that's where you see all those viral videos coming from. CapCut is usually the premier program that they use to make a lot of these videos. And it's all completely free, the video editing as well as this new text to image. I think this is pretty cool because they also have like a showcase feature where you get to see different variations of images other people created. They have like a trending tab, they have like an art tab, a design tab, an image tab, and they're pretty good. Text to image has gone pretty far, but I think what you should look out for right now in September 2023 is what the AI images create when they are like doing like fine-tuned details like somebody's fingers. That's what I really look into, to see like how well they do a person's fingers. Is it all morphed? How well they do somebody who is like more than one person in a photo? How well they do like kind of like the edges of the photo and like the lighting and stuff. Everything else from text to image is pretty crisp. Like you can really get some really good results from like almost any text to image generator. But I saw some here where they was doing not only the image as well, but you can see the person's hands, and the person's hands is actually on point with this one. I thought that was pretty cool. Also, they were doing some other things here where like you could do stuff with business. I saw that like they were making like whole entire almost products, like skincare products, and it looked realistic. Also, they had like interior design where like the interior design was like a table and you saw chairs around it. This thing looked straight out of a catalog. Guess what? It only took like a sentence or 2 to create that. 4K. Also, you can download this for free. You don't have to use it necessarily on CapCut, but it's a mobile device, it's a mobile app, so you can use it on the go. But also, you can download it and upscale it. So let's say you like the photo, but you wanted to make it maybe 4K. You can do that all for free within CapCut. Now, I did this photo within CapCut myself, so I created a few different ones. Create like a man, a woman, a dog, and just some backgrounds. And I want to show you just how well these pictures are doing and how crisp they are. And keep in mind, you can use these for your own products and everything. Completely free. And also, if let's say you want to make a video or some type of short advertisements, they also have other AI features within it to make products, to make your own script. It's just a really powerful app, I think, going forward, especially with these AI tools. But tell me what you think. Do you think this puts you over Midjourney now? Because not only does this create text to images for free, but you can also edit and make all these other AI considerations within a video, which Midjourney just can't complete with. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. That being said, your boy Dex Not Dexter.